Paw Patrol Phonics, Book Number 11, Long U Sound. The Blue Tube. In today's book, you will learn the words blue, huge, through, tube, do, new, two, glue, shoots, to, use, goose, super, true. And the blend sounds: bull, grr, sm, fur, sk, tur, gull, soul, to, r, go, idea, slide, baby, grabs, seize, yard, fuzzy, rescue, rocky, rubble. Rubble and Rocky are true friends. They go to the park. There is a new blue tube slide. It is huge. Rubble sees Fuzzy, the baby goose. The goose cannot slide down the blue tube. The tube is too high. Rocky has an idea. He has small blue tubes in his truck. He can make a new tube slide. Rocky and Rubble know what to do. Rocky can use the small blue tubes. He grabs some glue too. He glues the two blue tubes together. He makes a new blue tube slide. It is super! The goose shoots through the new blue tube. Rocky and Rubble are true heroes. See you tomorrow!